Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by signing into both services and confirming admin rights. Open Printify and Woocommerce dashboards side by side so you can copy keys and set options quickly. In Woocommerce, go to Settings, Advanced REST API, and create a key for a user with full access. Copy the key and secret. In Printify, choose Connect Store and select Woocommerce. Once done, paste the REST API keys when prompted and authorize the connection, so both platforms can exchange product and order data. Now you'll create products in Printify and push them to Woocommerce. Select a product and provider, upload print files, then configure colors, sizes, and variants. These become Woocommerce variations. Set production and shipping profiles so transit times appear correctly in your store. Use the pricing tool to set retail price and margin. Make sure tax settings match Woocommerce rules. Once your mockup is ready, click Publish to store. Printify will create the product and variants in Woocommerce automatically. Finish by testing a full order. Place a low-cost live or draft order in Woocommerce and confirm it appears in Printify as a supplier order. Verify SKUs, inventory mapping, shipping classes, and order status updates. This ensures fulfillment flows smoothly. If something goes wrong, first reauthorize the REST API keys in Printify and Woocommerce, then check for conflicting plugins or caching. One key tip: enable logging in Woocommerce and inspect logs for webhook or API errors, which usually point directly to the issue you need to fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.